What is rate limiting? What happens if a server receives too many requests? And how do developers stop their systems from being overwhelmed? Rate limiting is a technique that is used to control how many requests a client can make to a server within a specific period of time. For example, an API might allow 100 requests per minute per user. And if the user requests more than that limit, then it will just reject them rather than processing it. And when this happens, the server usually responds with an error like this: 429 too many requests. This lets the client know they've exceeded the allowed limit and they have to wait before making more requests. But how is this put in place? To put a rate limit in place, the server needs to know how many requests are coming from each client. A client could be identified by an API key, a user account, or an IP address. And every time a request comes in, the server checks how many requests have come from this client. If it is below the rate limit, it allows it, and if not, it rejects it. Now we know how it works, why do we use it? Well, it helps us solve a few problems. Firstly, and the most obvious one, it protects servers from being overwhelmed. Without a limit, a single client can make so many requests to a server and use up all its resources by processing those requests. It's often used in public APIs to stop malicious users from flooding the system with so many requests. And also it ensures fair usage, so all users that are using an API have fair usage and one person cannot take all that system's resources. So in simple terms, rate limiting is just a way of controlling how much clients can interact with the server, which then helps the server remain stable, secure, and fair for everyone. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, you'll probably like my software concept playlist, so go check that out. But other than that, I'll see you next time.